look great.
It looks good. Yeah, dude, you're staying smooth right there, though. That's the thing.
It's not pulling as high as that side was.
Because if that's where you go real quick, you're going to wind up on the top.
Well, how high did you get up?
We made it up to like
See, and that looks like it's carrying that carries the tire about that high. The other one's keeping all four on the ground.
I know, but I'm getting higher this way than I was over there.
monster truck it.
You don't have 400 horse for look.
So
If it hooks, it's gonna go for it though.
One way or the other.
Problem is, it always go over.
Either go or go over.
it's gonna go one way or another, huh?
Yeah.
He's not used to having to see minutes.
So close.
I don't blame you for backing out, but that's what you're doing. That's right. It's not me.
Right there is the smoothest line.
Right there.
Right there's the smoothest, but he can't bump it. That's the problem.
Okay, sun's out.
But they do when they do.
That feels good, huh?
When he
Yeah.
turns the tire and drops the tire, he does. No, right there.
Oh.
There you go. Yeah.